All right, this is going to be Sunburn by Almost Monday. This was by request. So we're going to have a little melody to get this started. We got... Okay, so that was 7 and 10, 2 times. Kind of like slower the first time and faster the second time. And that's on the second string, 7 to 10, 7 to 10. And then we go 6-4, 6-4 in the G string. And then we have like a pickup note for the last phrase on this 2 here in the G string. It's going to go 6-9, 6-9, big 4 over here. So once again, we got 3, 4. Okay, one more time, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. And use whatever fingers make sense to you. Now there's a rhythm behind that. It comes in after the 1, so it's going to go 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's 11, 12, and 10, part of a B minor chord down here. So we're going to have 1, 1. So we go to an E chord down here, 4, 5, and 4. It's like a D shape on the 4th fret. So we have 3, 4, 1, 1. So it hits on the and of the 1. So here we hit on the 2, 1, 2, 3, and. So we hit on the and of the 3 also. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and. Now this one goes 1 and 4. So 1 and 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so this one was 2, 2, and 4. Boom, 2, 3, and. We have 2s down here. Dum, dum, dum. Okay, so that's the intro. We got 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, then we get the verse going. We're going to have 11, 10, 10, D chord. We're going to have 1, 2. Now these will have the same rhythm now. So it's that 1, 2, 3, and. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2, 3, and. And that's 9, 9, and 7. So we got 3, 4, 1. Then 9s. And then 11, 10, 9. Then back to this one. So we have 3 hits on this last one here. So the chords again were 11, 10, 10, 9, 9, 7, 9, 9, 9, 11, 10, 9. And what those are is that's D, this is an E, this is part of an A major 7, and this is part of an F sharp minor. So 3, 4, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 3 of those. So that little section right there, I'm calling section A, that's going to pop up again to make things go a little smoother and quicker. So the B part, I'm calling, we're going to have 7s. We got 1, and then 9, 9, 7. Now we're going 6, 5, 5, part of an A. 3, 4, 1. And then down to the 2s. So we had 7s, then we had 9, 9, 7, then we had 6, 5, 5, and then we had 2s. So let's try all those. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that little piece right there is called part B. That'll pop up later. Now we're going to move on here. We have this 11, 10, 10 again. 3, 4, 1. 9, 9, 7. Now we have 9, 10, 9. And we have just once on this chord here, kind of a stop. And so instead of the second one, I think it just hits the first one. It's like boom, jack. And then we're going to move on. We got this again. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so this new part here, starting here, I'm calling part C. We got 1. So we had 2 of the 9s right into that chord and we hold it. And then we're back into that part A. 3, 4, 1. And then 3 hits. Okay, and then we keep moving on. So you just got to kind of take each of these parts and look at them separately. You could look at this one main thing as the main thing to practice over and over. And you can kind of put in the other chords and vary it as it goes. But you got this main one, 11, 10, 10, 9, 9, 7, 9s, and then 11, 10, 9. We could try that. We could loop that a little bit, try to get that going. Ready? So 3, 4, 1. 1. 1. 1. Let's keep it going. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Okay, and then resuming on back to the arrangement after part A where it's repeated towards the bottom of the page. We're back into this one. We got some new things coming up. We got 1. Now we can go up and do a variation of the E chord with 13, 12, 12. 9s, and then 3 hits. Okay, then we go back to part B, which was 7s. 3, 4, 1. 6, 5, 5. 2s. Okay, so that's part B. Then we're going to jump to part C, which is up here. 3, 4, 1. That's the one that holds that. Okay, now we're going to be up here to the one from the beginning. 11, 12, 10. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that one had that D shape in here in the 9th fret, and then went into the 3 hits on this. And we're going to repeat all of that. 3, 4, 1. Okay, and your basic chords that we're doing here is B minor and E. Could be those 9s, or it could be this. Or it could be that. Say your B minor top is this, but you could also have that in there. Boom. A major 7 could also be 7, 6, 5, 4. And F sharp minor 4, 2, 2, 2. If you wanted some bigger chords. But we find those same chords up in these tops. Like this one was a B minor, but usually we have a D going there. You know, sometimes you can do your E down here, but it's also these bigger 9s. These lower 9s were part of if we had another bass note up here, it could be an A major 7 that you'd see right there. There's a way to look at an A major 7 too, 7 with 9s. So that's what those little 9s are. And then we get into this one, it's like the F sharp minor down here. Okay, so Sunburn, Almost Monday by request. Hope you dug that. Talk to y'all soon.